comes in like a flood, the Spirit of the Lord will raise up a standard against him. I see the enemy coming like a flood in our houses, in our churches, in our families, in our businesses. People of God, what is the standard of? Being a war, y'all. It's time to stand up. It's about to go down. It's about to be done. It's time for you to choose. One side you're gonna be on. For the devil is recruited. Something that will be mad. But this won't let you get defeated. All you have to do is stand. No time for mixing lights. Lift up the rush. Be black, won't be white. No more shades of gray. It's separate to be holy. No matter what you do, don't bow. And you have to stand alone. Stand in your house.
All right. Change. How you gonna be the first leader? Let's listen to R&B. Every pop is on your mental. I'm trying to tell you, y'all ain't please. It says when did it become cool? We need to live together